And now, let's go to our weather girl, Kendall McCauley, with the latest report on Hurricane Sandy.
Good morning. This is your weather girl, Kendall McCauley, reporting from station WFCA in Fayetteville, North Carolina, with a recap of what has taken place with Tropical Storm Sandy over the last few days and what to expect. Hurricane warnings continue to be in effect for the next few days, particularly along the North Atlantic coast. Sandy began as a low-pressure system and developed from a tropical wave in the Western Caribbean Sea and developed into a hurricane. Actually, what happens is that warm air rises, causing an area of lower air pressure. Then air from surrounding seas with higher air pressure pushes into the lower pressure area, warming the new moist air, causing it to rise also. The warm air continues to rise, and the surrounding air swirls to take its place. The surrounding air cools, and the water in the air forms clouds and precipitation. Air masses move and collide with each other, forming fronts at boundaries between the air masses, as you can see in this picture. The system of clouds and wind spins grows because of the heat and water evaporating from the ocean. As the storm systems rotates faster and faster, an eye with very low air pressure forms in the center, right here. The eye is calm and clear. Higher air from above flows down into the eye, resulting in strong winds and many inches of rain. The storm is also the result of abnormal sea surface temperatures in the Atlantic Ocean. The storm was upgraded to Tropical Storm Sandy as it moved north across Jamaica, eastern Cuba, and the Bahamas, leaving destruction in its path. After briefly weakening to a tropical storm, Sandy gained strength. It looked as if it were headed out west to sea, but took an abrupt turn, as predicted by the National Hurricane Center and National Weather Service, as you can see right here. At the present, the storm is moving northeast toward the mid-Atlantic coast, headed for the New York and New Jersey region. It is expected to transform into a post-tropical cyclone with hurricane force winds moving ashore near Bridgeton, New Jersey. The forecast calls for a storm surge, which is an abnormal rise of water and high winds of up to 80 miles per hour for the coastal region from New Jersey north to Connecticut, including New York City and Long Island, which is right here. It is expected to occur near the time of high tide along the Atlantic coast. Later, the remnants of the Tropical Storm Sandy will likely drift northward and then northeast over Ontario, Canada, before possibly merging with another low pressure area over eastern Canada, which is up here. Warnings are in effect, especially for the mid-Atlantic states in the United States, including Maryland, Washington, D.C., New York, New Jersey, and the New England states. In the meantime, we urge you to stay inside and take the following precautions. Stock up on emergency supplies, including food, water, protective clothing, medications, batteries, flashlights, and a first aid kit. Preserve your important documents. Have road maps and a full tank of gas. Know your evacuation routes and make your home as safe as possible. Stay tuned for the next advisory. This is Kendall McCauley reporting from station WFCA in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Have a great day.